So Napa Valley is world-renowned for wine grape growing, and what my students and I are really interested in is trying to find win-win situations between wildlife and agriculture. So we're studying barn owls, which nest in wooden boxes that the farmers put up on the farms, and we're studying bluebirds and swallows, which also nest in smaller wooden boxes that the farmers put up on the farms, because both those birds may eat some pests that are on these vineyards. So we're collecting these fecal samples from the, in this case, tree swallow nestlings. This is a really big part of the study because with genetic methods, we can identify what they're eating.
So it's not too loose, to where it catches things, but not too tight to where it's like constricting your blood flow.
The part of the study that Cody's doing is putting these GPS trackers on the birds to try to see where they're foraging in the farm and adjacent to the farm. So looking at those fine scale movements and how that changes over time and with temperature, made possible by this new GPS technology that's become small enough and lightweight enough to put on a bird as small as a western bluebird. So this box is kind of our prototype for a new monitoring system, and it's got two surveillance cameras on the box. One is inside the box, looking inside the box so we can see the chicks, and then the other is mounted on a small arm looking at the entrance of the box from the outside so we can see an adult when they fly up with a prey item like a vole or a gopher or a mouse to feed the chicks. We're going to be attaching GPS transmitters to the owls, and so that's like, unprecedented detail. We'll be able to pinpoint not just where the owls are hunting, but pinpointing where they're having a successful attack. So that'll be really cool. And then put your thumb there. Yep, just like that. I think these sorts of experiences for students are really what sets Cal Poly Humboldt apart. This is hands-on. We're in the field. We're handling birds. We're collecting insects. We're doing all the things that we need to do to better understand the wildlife in these farms and how they might be contributing to these farms. And in addition, we're trying to ask applied research questions, and I think that's one of the things that sets a polytechnic apart. We're interested in questions that matter to the farmers.